Jeff Keenan here. I'm going to show you how to use the tire pressure helper on the C8 Corvette and many GM cars. I'm going to use this little air down device. I'll put a link below. These are good to have for off-road vehicles. I'm going to set the tire pressure to 20 PSI from the recommended 30, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to turn the ignition on. Okay, I got in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Put my foot on the brake and push the ignition button. Sounds pretty sweet. I got the tire pressure low indicator, add air to tires. So it's the left rear is at 19 PSI. So there you go, there's the tire pressure helper. Now, the tire in question has to be below the minimum 20 PSI to enable the system to start working. But this is a 1LT car, so it's supported on all C8 Corvettes and probably a lot of other ones. Now, as you saw, the rear tail light closest to the tire flashed, and then the horn blew when the tire pressure was reached, and my Milton gauge verified it was at exactly 30 PSI. So pretty accurate system, but again, it will only work on the tire that has tripped the low pressure. So if you only have one that's at the low pressure, you're gonna have to use your gauge to check the other ones. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful Wi-Fi tech products and C8 Corvette.